mkota mambuka kwasa. Kwasa mkota mokufika kwasa. Abantu baphethe amawodi kwasa. Tata mkoto tata. Comrade, Revolutionary Forces, the Ground Forces, the leadership of 167, the leadership for Zone 12, that has supported us a lot. Comrade, my name is Sandy Lenenze Smarate, the convener for Ward 67. Comrade, Staluponga, first of all, bonke aba 14 to make sure ukuthi siseduzane nepower. Abenze sure ukuthi le ward sizoyithatha come 2026. Sicela ukubonga comrades from all wards that are here today. Siyabonga comrade Mpolisi, sibonga comrade Patrick, sibonga comrade Asanda for making sure that we are taking this ward. Comrade Asanda joba ngimmenshina.
Chikitshela mkhonto, chikitshela mkhonto.
Make sure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyathatha lo.
Chikitshela mkhonto. Chikitshela mkhonto.
You want to take
What's the revolution? Come closer, commander. Come closer, commander.
Ground Forces of EFF, the leadership of EFF.
Chikitshela mkhonto.
From the leadership for the ISP. Sibonga ama-comrade. Sibonge nama-comrade. Awagogo asivotele. Comrades, this is the beginning of the war. This is the war. Comrades, we are sisempini la. Sizothatha iwadi.
Sisewondweni commander.
Ikhansela laseLesotho. We are here to take this word, Mikane. Sizokhipha umcindezelo wabantu. ZMK, come 2026, sizophatha na. So siyabonga ama-comrades for your support. All the wards that are here today, all the wards under I'm not alone, I'm with my comrades for a vote of thanks.
Power to the women. Power to the women of Umkhonto wesizwe. Tata. Pata.
Sijiki siyaphambila sijiki.
Sijiki.
Comrades.
Commanders, one meeting. High moral, high discipline, commanders.
Commanders in the Maglendawo, Pansi, leadership, yalapha eWard 67. Ngizokwenza ukulele. Ngizobonga.
Guidance.
Siwabonile, our zone is here. Sibonile, our region is here. Our comrades.
High moral, high discipline.
Ama-comrades wamanye amawodi siyabonga kakhulu the support. Ekugcineni singabantwana bomuntu. Ekugcineni sinekhaya lingu-FK. Sibonga kakhulu izandla. Asazi ukuthi sithini, akukho kudinga lokhu. Kubalulekile ukuthi kulonyaka ozayo taking iWard 67.
Mata! Commander Katlego.
Amanda.
Kama wethu.
Nango uCommander Katlego esenivotele.
Socha lamasotsha. Amanda Mogoto. Wethu Mogoto. Tikjela. Right. Commander, the floor is yours. Awethu. Awethu.
Commanders,
it's a money.
Support, ngiyayibona izonu, ngiyayibona iregion, commanders from other wards. Basezonu engathi singaba united ezone 12. Masingaba united ezone 12 ngempela phambili.
High moral, high discipline, commander.
Ne-EFF ngokuba nathi
Naba otatuwethu labo sisiphethu naba otatuwethu.
Kakhulu commanders i-commitment yethu njengoba nisithembile nasikhipha ukuthi sisebenzele umphakathi.
Amandla.
Ngeke simphoxe umkhonto sisazoyiphakamisa iflege nephezulu.
Tikjela. High moral.
Sakusuka ukuthi kumele sirelax. Lokho kukhomba khona ukuthi umkhonto ukhona e67 uyakhula asebenzeni ngamandla sithatheni iward.
Tikjela commander, tikjela leadership.
Siyabonga commanders. Ucommander Khoza ongekho. Sifuna naye azobonga ama-ground forces. Because yonke lento yenzeke through ama-ground forces.
Tikjela mkhona tikjela.
Tikjela mkhonto tikjela.
Tikjela.
Mkhonto kwaza.